Hello. All right, so right now it's 6:25. Market's about to open in 5 minutes. So right now, this is trade ideas. This is what you can use to look at stock pre-market, and I do see that AMUX and Silver, it's uh, it's trending right now. It's up 18%, and then the other stock would be Neuro. So these three stocks are a lot of people are looking after right now. Later, we could try to scan right here, but think or swim won't make it work until 6:30 or whenever the market opens. So we go right here. This is what we can scan. If we scan right here, it probably won't work yet completely, but at 6:30 it will work, and wait, my watch list will update here too. See, do I have it? Well, not on this account, I guess. But yeah, it should reflect right here when it opens. But if we scan right here and filter by percentage change and look at the volume, we can see that those stocks from TradeIdeas, these stocks like AMUX and Sober are highly trending and maybe Neuro. So those are stocks I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to be looking at mainly this one right here. See, I put AMUX right here and Sober right here. This is gonna be on my second monitor. The problem with AMUX would be, look, there's resistance at 650 right here, right? And the high was 655. So that's the only window for profit right here. However, there's a lot of volume going on. So there might be a chance for a quick scalp above 550, like in and out. This is kind of like an 8% win rate. It's not really the greatest, but I can see how you can make some money off of it. We have to focus on the 5-minute candlestick. So yeah, if it's a candle that makes a new high above the white line, then yeah, you should buy. So like this one touched the white line. However, this line opens above the white line, and clearly you buy here, you can sell like whenever before it touched the white line again. The white line is basically a support. That's when that's an exit indicator. All right, so this candle is below the white line, which makes it weak. So I'm guessing above 550, when a new 5 minutes chart open above 550 is a good time to buy. Also gonna be looking at the 1 minute too for a good entry and focus on the volume right here. All right. So market opens in 2 minutes because right now it's 6:28. Just looking at SPY a bit, but gonna consider 3. So I'm gonna move my trade ideas over here to my other monitor so it doesn't distract me. So this is my first time doing small cap stocks in a while. Let's give it a shot. Probably not gonna risk insane amount. Probably 100 to 300 shares. All right, guys. Let's see if I still have it. Oh yeah, it's gonna hurt my ear, so I'm gonna put this away from my ear. Market opens in 15 seconds. All right, 10 seconds. All right, I see Sober moving. All right, the bell has opened. All right, let's see what happened. All right, I see AMUX trending. Yeah, so not very convincing. The 5 minutes ain't showing it doing so well right here. Like to use my 5 minutes. I kind of want to buy it, but it's the 5 minutes. Okay, it can go down. All right, this is not the greatest entrance. If we look at, okay, I missed my chance for Sober. Let me see what happens narrow. No, it's IMAX. All right, trending stock IMAX. It does, puts buy to see what happens. So SPY is 364 right now. So as you can see for Sober, it needs to have a candle above, $4. This is dangerous to trade, very dangerous. Is it doable? Yeah. Should I? No. Alright, so 750k volume, this one 300k volume. So clearly Sober is the trending one, but not trending a lot. Alright, I do see another one popped up on the scanner. Very little volume, 20 to 40k, not worth it. So MPTI halted, but a very low volume. Alright, ACMR, what the hell is that? Very low volume. It's not worth trading and risking. Tempting, but sorry, it's not enough volume for me. The float is 44 million. Decent float. Alright, SPY, it's 363 right now. It's beginning to drop. But I'm sure AMUX is the one to trade for our small cap stock, but it's not really like flashing out to me to trade it. It's no good setup. It barely gapped 34% up today. Okay. So the other way you can find out these stocks to trade, just keep an eye on SPY. But yeah, so if you go here, you scan it. Alright. $10 volume, max. Alright. Max to infinity. Okay. You know what? Max. Yeah, so once you scan the stock, let's see if it pops up here. At least 50k volume. It was AMUX, so it should be here. Where's the one with the most volume? The most volume is right here. It's manually sorting it, searching for it. Alright, let me just review the criteria. I mean, the volume should be infinite. Yeah, it's buy. Like, strength of the market. Alright, so let's try creating a new scan query. Name it 123. Oh, now. Alright, new scanner. Market price of the stock should be at least 10. Well, let's do $1 to $500. At least 50K volume to infinity volume. At least I would say 5% to infinity. Well, let's see. Yeah, not a lot of volume. Silver is trending. Okay, it would have been a good entrance at 355. Let's see the resistance. It's going all the way up to uh 386 is the resistance. So right now would be an okay buy, but I basically missed my chance. Basically, right here, first candle to make a new high right here would have been okay to buy, but then resistance is here, 370. It's okay buy, but I missed my chance. Just gotta let it go. The scanner popped up right here. Tell me, hey, silver is trending. Yeah, I missed it. That was my fault. Feel a little FOMO. Let me just delete these. I don't. Hey, look, that's gold. Alright. There we go. Alright, so if it breaks like air brakes, bye. This is tough. Yeah, totally felt FOMO. Cause yeah, once it breaks this, it could make a new high, but then that's a lot of movement it did already. But then again, it gapped up from like 270 something. Okay, so if I buy into like 384, I might hit the wall at 4 and reject and then bounce down. That's very risky. Even though I feel like I really want to trade, I shouldn't trade. Like I just messed up. Like I should have took this trade at 353 and then sold as it surged up. Okay, that was my fault. Right now it's just me feeling FOMO. Okay, so right now I just gotta, you know what? Just suppress my feelings. Usually, if you look at the 5 minutes, it's a lot better. I'm looking at the 5 minutes and the 1 minute on my other screen, this chart, but I'm only using this monitor right here so I can execute the trades right here. Just gotta zoom it. All right. I mean, I could buy, but it can reject. Look, it's far extended from the EMA right here, the 15 days EMA. So it could snap back anytime. Yeah, the 5 minutes is very overextended right here, so you could snap back. Okay, I can't afford to take that risk. I want to trade in front of everyone, but there's no trade. Unless it breaks 4, then I might reconsider. Volume's declining. The bull is gone. Oh no. Let's see what's happening in SPY. Alright, SPY. What are you doing? Look at the hourly chart. Okay, yeah, it might go up a bit today. Then test this. 368. Yeah, I've been recording for I guess 20 minutes now almost. Yeah, so SPY, we shouldn't look at the 5 minutes or 1 minute. It's too small. SPY is a huge, ETF or a big bundle of stock. It moves a lot slower. So using the hourly or daily or weekly, monthly, yearly chart is a lot better. Unless you know what you're doing with the lower time frame. But I just find that to be very difficult for me, so that's why I don't do it. I think if SPY hits below 360 today, then there's a good chance it can start slipping to 350. Once it breaks 350, then there's a very high chance it'll keep falling down to at least 320 in the next few days. It's just all speculation right now. I'm looking at silver right now too. The other style I was looking at earlier. Wow, that's a big drop right there. Boom. Three. Some price action right now. I'm playing with some option on Trade Idea right now, trying to make the font a little bigger. It works. Huzzah! Alright, there might be a play for Silver. This is the 5 minute right here. If it breaks above this, there could be a buy, but it's not really a good purchase. Like I would buy right here, but really, there's a resistance right here, 384. Even if I buy at 374, it's gonna hit this brick wall, then this other brick wall. So, even though it's a good setup right here, it's not the best. I would say this is like around 60 to 75% win rate. I want to take it since it's the only fish in the market, but I know I shouldn't. Neuro does not have a lot of volume. IMAX is no good, that's why. I think the stock to trade today is sober. Not a lot of volume. Trying to adjust my trade idea to lower the volume. Yep, don't know how to do it. No good setup for 5 minutes. See? No good setup for sober, too. Okay. Not enough volume. Yeah, it pops up on my scanner. It's not work. Okay. AD, AP, the N went into a halt. Not a lot of volume. Not a lot of volume. Seriously, today would be a day I wouldn't trade any penny stocks. Unless it breaks 4, and that's a maybe. Alright, let's go down. Breakdown. What's happening here? You know what? I'm gonna put this stock right here. Boom. Tie it to number 3. Genius. So once I see this at 370 something, I might come back. Now let's look at SPY. There, so let's break it down. Let's remove everything. Let's go to 1 year, 1 day. Or 5 years, 1 day. Yeah. So this is... I'd say this is a good support right here. So it broke below the support once. And it went up. Got rejected. Today, opened right here. It doesn't seem like a lot of bull movement. Like green movement. So it's just teeter-tottering right here. It's most likely gonna hit 361 soon and then, you know, tumble down. And then a lot of bears will come with them. The momentum. 362. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right now. I don't think there's much to talk about. It's just a waiting game. I could be wrong and then reverse back up, but it's not unlikely looking at this candlestick. If it goes up, it would probably go up to a maximum around 368. If not, it's more probable right now by the looks of it. It'll touch 361 and then very probable break it and then head downward here today. Might end at 354 if it's chaotic, or might consolidate to 368. If it was me, a blind guess, I would vote it'll go to around 355. Possibly 353 today. That is all. Yeah, so don't trade for small cap stocks for me today. There's nothing for me to trade. Don't force it.